Welcome to the AI income secret nobody is talking about. Get ready to discover a completely new way to earn money online. Before we dive into the secret, if you are serious about making money online with AI, pay close attention to this next step. Check the link in the description right now and grab the ChatGPT Millionaire. Making money online has never been this easy. This guide is your blueprint to completely changing how you earn. Now for the hook. What if I told you there are people making serious money online right now, and they're doing it with almost no effort? These aren't experts. They're making money without experience, without technical skills, and without working all day long. They all rely on one powerful yet simple tool: artificial intelligence. It's the engine driving their success. Here's the problem most people face. They are stuck doing things the old, hard way. They are working harder, putting in more hours and trying different side hustles, but nothing really changes in their bank account. Meanwhile, a small, informed group is quietly using AI to create income streams faster and more efficiently than ever before. This is the paradigm shift you need to understand. AI has completely changed the game for making money online. You no longer need to be a coding genius or a marketing expert to succeed. The complexity is gone. To leverage this shift, you just need three things: the right system, the right prompts, and the right guidance. But where do you start? That's exactly why the ChatGPT Millionaire was created. It provides the roadmap you've been missing. The guide breaks everything down into simple, practical steps that anyone can follow. No confusion, no complicated setup, just clear instructions. Inside this guide, you'll unlock the key value proposition of modern online earning. You'll discover how to create multiple income streams from scratch, even if you are starting today as a complete beginner. Learn to use AI to generate content instantly and automate tasks that normally take you hours, freeing up your time and increasing your output. If you're ready to stop guessing and start using AI, the smart, powerful way to earn money, now is the time to take action and secure your spot in the AI income revolution. Check the link in the description now and get your copy of the ChatGPT Millionaire. This small step could lead to massive financial change. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how people are using AI to make money step by step, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Welcome to video 2, 3 proven ways people are making money with AI. Get ready to discover how you can capitalize on this massive shift. Before we dive in, a quick but important note. If you haven't already, check the description right now and get the ChatGPT Millionaire. It walks you through everything step by step, giving you the complete system. Now let's break down how this actually works. In the last video, we covered the undeniable magnitude of the AI opportunity and why it's the biggest shift of our generation. But let's answer the real question everyone wants to know. How are people actually making money with AI right now? The first major way people are making money is through AI freelancing. This model leverages AI tools to drastically increase efficiency for client work. People are using AI to write content, create compelling marketing copy, build scripts for video projects, and deliver a wide range of client work faster than ever before. By speeding up delivery time while maintaining high quality, they are able to handle more volume and, crucially, they are getting paid premium rates for their efficiency. The second proven method is content creation. AI has leveled the playing field, allowing anyone to produce high-quality content quickly. Using AI, you can start YouTube channels, grow TikTok accounts, and build massive audiences rapidly by consistently producing engaging content at scale. These channels and accounts are then monetized effectively through traditional channels, ads, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. The third highly effective way is creating and selling digital products. This is where you build an asset once and sell it infinitely. Think of products like ebooks, custom templates, or comprehensive guides. These are high-value items that solve a specific problem for your audience. Crucially, AI helps you conceptualize, draft, design, and finalize these digital products faster than ever, drastically cutting down the time from idea to launch. Despite these incredible opportunities, most people attempting to use AI for income still fail. Why is that the case? They fail because they don't have a clear, tested system, they use weak, generic prompts, and they lack a proven roadmap to connect the dots between the technology and the income. That gap is exactly what the ChatGPT Millionaire was designed to fill for you. It gives you that step-by-step roadmap, complete with ready-to-use, proven prompts and strategies for each of the income models we just discussed. Don't delay your success. Check the link in the description right now and get your copy to start implementing these strategies today. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to turn this potential into a real, sustainable income stream you can rely on. Welcome. Today we're diving into how to turn AI into a real income stream with a clear, step-by-step approach. Before we start, if you're serious about building substantial income with AI, check the description right now. If you are serious about transforming AI capability into real revenue, you need the right guide. Get the ChatGPT Millionaire now. The link is waiting for you in the description. Let's get started and turn this knowledge into action. Here is the simple 5-step framework you can follow to build a real, sustainable income stream using AI. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose an area where people are already actively spending money. This ensures demand for your AI-powered solution. Step 2. Use AI to create value. Generate high-quality content, unique services, or innovative business ideas much faster than traditional methods. Step 3. Package your value. Convert your AI output into a clearly defined service, a digital product, or a robust content platform. Step 4. Distribute your offering. Leverage powerful platforms like YouTube, TikTok for rapid organic growth, or utilize specialized freelance platforms to find clients. Step 5. Monetize. Generate income through direct clients, display advertising revenue, or promoting relevant affiliate offers. Now for a reality check on this whole process. Building income with AI isn't magic. It still requires effort, dedication, and consistent work, just like any other business. But here is the key. AI gives you immense leverage. It makes content generation faster, execution more efficient, and easier to scale than ever before. Why does having the right resource like the ChatGPT Millionaire matter so much? Instead of wasting time figuring things out through trial and error, the book gives you proven shortcuts and over 150 ready-to-use prompts. It provides clear direction, allowing you to start generating results faster and helping you avoid common, costly mistakes many entrepreneurs make. If you're ready to stop just watching and start taking tangible action toward building your AI income stream, check the link in the description now and get your copy of the ChatGPT Millionaire. Your journey starts today. And if you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on making money online with AI.